I overnighted a package from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. Is a wig, of course. As you can tell with the bag, this is normally what the wigs come in. It's a cute little satchel type of silky sonic bag. I love it. I'll definitely keep these bags every time they come like this. The plastic, I do keep those as well for something else, just in case it didn't have like a bag that came with it. So this is just stuff that I preserve my wigs in, which I think is a perfect perk that these companies be including. This is a Amella hair U-part wig. It is a human hair wig, and it's 12 inches is what I got this one is. It's a small U-part wig. That's one thing that I liked. I did expect a V-part, but U is fine as long as it's not that real big U where I have to leave a whole bunch of leave out. This definitely works much better for me because I'm barely leaving my own hair out, which I like to keep my hair protected because I am trying to grow my hair to my mid back. So check out the video. Okay, so here's the Amazon wig that I got. I am going to kind of like go through it with the hair curler to try to straighten out these curls because when I got it out the package, these curls was flipped out and these curls was flipped the same way. So clearly it, it wasn't how I wanted it to be styled. Now, of course, I'm not going to do that much because I already went through it and kind of straightened out the curls as far as how I want them. I'm probably just going to do it when I put it on. I just have it bumped out just a little bit because I don't want like that tuck under curl, right? So let me go ahead and get my cap on so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Here's my cap, and I'm not putting it on all of my head. My part is going to be in the middle with just hair laying on both sides. Like this is my leave out. I had this much as my leave out, but I braided these two braids up right here because I didn't need that much leave out. This is my leave out for if I want a side part, but I don't want a side part today, so I'm just going to push that back and, like I said, put my cap on. I take my wig off every day because I need access to my scalp. So tonight I'm going to go out to or maybe I just do, I don't know. But when I got down here to Tampa, Florida, they're actually calling everything a bar, even when they stand up and dance. So, okay, it is what it is. So I have my wig down on this head, clamped down with these little things. So I'm just taking them out right now. And got them off to the side. And so this wig has 4 clamps here. For the front of the part up here, and this one's for the side, and then these lay about right here on each side of the braids as well. And then it has 2 side combs to tuck it in over here somewhere, right? And then it has a back comb, which I rarely use. I just tuck it under. My braids is pretty thick back there, so it holds anything. So I barely tuck that in. Like I said, I don't really like to keep my wigs on because when I go to sleep, because I like to protect my scalp and my hair because I am trying to grow my hair to my mid back. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. It's like a little, I don't know, 10-minute hairdo or so. I don't know, it's not much. You don't have to really do too much. I don't normally like to use combs. I used to sew my hair down, but since I take this wig off every day, which I haven't worn this one yet, but since I take my wigs off every day, I don't sew them down. Now this one is a little tight because it's a little head wig, and I think I got a big head. Alright, so I'm putting my combs in. Ooh, child. That is tight. So yeah, this is not really big head friendly. However, I don't always have my edges up, right? So any air blowing my hair back. It's not like I'm going to be outside. I'm going to be inside. So this is pretty much it. Now, I've already blow dried my hair after I washed it out. So now I'm just going to part it down the middle. But this is what it looks like if I don't press my hair out, right? Just kind of chewy. It doesn't match the weave for real. So what I am gonna do is just take my irons through the hair, so I can try to match this hair as much as possible. So you see the difference between this part and this part. Now keep in mind, it's not gonna stay like that if you go outside. It was raining a while ago, so as soon as I hit outdoors, it's gonna go right back to this. So what I have to do is I spray this on my hair and brush it down. So it leaves this kind of hard, but it still looks just like this. But if somebody decided they wanted to run their fingers through my hair, it's gonna be a stop right here. It's not gonna happen. They're gonna be like, wow, your shit hard. Yeah, it is. It looks soft, but it's hard. So maybe this is one reason why women say stay out their hair. I say stay out my hair because I don't necessarily want your energy in my hair. But you see how that looks? It looks so much better than this side, right? So yeah, I feel like this matches the wig pretty good. And other than me showing you the wig and stuff like that, this is taking me every bit of like no more than 10 minutes for real. And if I want to blow dry my hair, I can. To blow dry the hairspray down to my hair, but I don't really think that's necessary neither. You know, I can just do this and be good to go. Take the hairspray and brush my hair down. I don't really do the scarves, but I can hit it with a scarf and it'll lay, stay laid flat or dry flat, I guess. But I don't think it's necessary. But yeah. Now, just with this, before I take a step outside or anything, it looks like it could definitely be my hair. It matches pretty good. Now when you lift up, you see the nappiness right there, or whatever you want to call it, the coarseness right there. But you ain't got no business flipping my hair back, so you ain't gonna be able to tell that. I don't really use edge control. You can definitely use edge control to make your hair slick and greasy right there, but I don't want that. I wash my hair quite frequently, but I don't like how that stuff looks like the next 2 or 3 days later. And I don't necessarily like how it feels. It feels okay. It don't feel, ain't nothing wrong with it. But it's not showing that, so why do I even have to put that up there? I don't really do the baby hair edges thing because it's not comfortable for me. I know that some men think that people my age shouldn't wear it because I'm not a baby. I'm 46, but that's just a matter of opinion. I think those edges are mainly to hide like a lace front. So everybody with their opinions that think they know every damn thing can kick rocks. Now, my edges are showing. So would I hit it up with a little bit of edge control right here? Yes, I would. But I'm going to try to hide it because I don't want no edge control. Or maybe I'll try to curl it and just let it hang, or just straighten it out like this and just let it be there or whatever, because I really don't want, I got so many different edge controls because I don't like none of them for real. But they be swearing by each and every one of them that they just a bomb. Somebody comment down below, what's your favorite edge control? maybe I'll try it, or maybe it'll be sitting here accumulating dust like the rest of it. I got so many of them. I got the olive oil one. I got the purple, these EB or something like that. I got that. I got a red wax looking one. I got a lot of them. They just don't, I don't care for them like that. But what you think about this wig so far? I think it's cute. I like it. It's a little bit longer than I expected. I really wanted it to be about right here. But I asked for 12 inches and I ordered 12 inches. And of course I thought it was going to be much shorter. I didn't think it was going to be up here, but I thought it was going to be right to here. I didn't think it was going to come all the way down. This seems like it's 14 inches to me, but yeah, next time I'll probably go 8 or 12 because I wanted it to be shorter, you know, but it is what it is. But I like this. This is really cute to me. Tell me what you think below. And also remember that the link is in the description, so you can order this as well. I do get a slight commission for it, but yeah, it was less than 100, I believe. Or was it 100? I don't remember how much it was, but like I said, the description is down below, and I also put the description in the comments, so you don't have to try to go find it. But yeah, I really like this. This is like my go-to wig. The other one that I was wearing was way longer, and it had the waviness to it, and that one is in another video that I had previously, and the description for that one is in the description as well, or the link for that one is in the description as well. And that was $103. I believe it was 24 inches or 26, I'm not sure, but it was almost booty hair. Booty hair means it comes down to my butt. It did tap it. It tapped it a little bit, but it didn't do a whole grab. You feel me? So it wasn't quite what I was looking for, but it was long enough. But this one is really cute. I will go get another one day that's much shorter because I would like a shorter cut, a shorter bob look. So stay tuned for that because I got it. But I did enjoy making this video for you, and I want you to like it if you like the video. If you got this far, you might as well like the video. Go ahead and like it right now. And you might as well subscribe to my channel because